I see it. You got like two of them straight down.
We're gonna go right into that, doesn't it?
Yep.
See a tiny little chipmunk. On the other side, it didn't look like we were gonna fit on the way up.
Yeah, right.
From the angle you're approaching with that rock and everything,
Solar panel.
Probably the power of the warning system and cameras.
Oh, here's a bunch more of those dark barks.
Must have been a fire. It must have been a fire.